In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube videos to Steam. This is perfect if you want your gameplay clips, guides, or trailers to show up right on your Steam profile so friends and followers can find them easily. Start by opening Steam and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to your profile by clicking your username at the top of the window. That takes you to your public-facing page where all your showcases live. On the right-hand side of your profile, look for the Videos section and select it. This is where you'll manage any videos tied to your profile. To bring in your YouTube content, click Link YouTube account. If you see an Upload a Video button first, go ahead and choose that, then select Link YouTube account. Steam will prompt you to choose Access your YouTube videos and will open Google's authorization wizard. Select the Google account that hosts your channel and follow the prompts to allow Steam to view your YouTube videos. You'll be asked to confirm permissions. This just lets Steam pull in your video list so you can choose what to show. Only your public videos will appear here, so if something isn't showing up, check its visibility on YouTube and make sure it's set to public. After you confirm permissions, Steam will display a list of your available videos. You'll see checkboxes next to each title. Tick the boxes for the videos you want to add to your Steam profile. If you want to tie a video to a specific game, you can do that now by typing the game's name into the drop-down and selecting it. This helps people browsing a game's community hub find your content more easily and keeps your profile organized. When you're happy with your selections, click Add Video. Steam will post them to your profile's Videos tab. It may take a moment for everything to appear, especially if you've added several at once. To view them, go back to your profile and open the Videos section. If you've just uploaded something new to YouTube and don't see it in the list yet, simply refresh the page and check again. Sometimes it takes a moment for Steam to pull the latest data from YouTube. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.